Are you looking for a way to get connected with amateur radio? Let's talk about the biggest clubs in America. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you being here. Today's video is sponsored by the Ham Shack TV store. Go to hamshacktv.com. Hamshacktv.com. We got all kinds of great stuff in there. If you're looking for your first radio, it's a great place to be. Go check it out. Hamshacktv.com. All right, so maybe you're new to the hobby and you're looking for a way to connect with other amateur radio operators offline. Well, let's talk about this. If you're into ham radio, you know that being part of a club can take the hobby to the next level. Let's talk about the 5 biggest amateur radio clubs, not counting the ARRL, that I was able to find in the United States. First up is the Dayton Amateur Radio Association, or DARA. Dayton Amateur Radio Association is an Ohio-based club and is legendary for hosting the Dayton Hamvention. This is the world's largest ham radio convention, and Ham Shack TV will be there this year. Every year, thousands of radio enthusiasts gather in Dayton for new gear, live demos, and networking. If you've ever been to Hamvention, you know it's definitely a bucket list for any ham radio operator. Go check out Dayton Amateur Radio Association. Just give them a Google and you'll be able to find them. Next up, we head out to California for the Mount Diablo Amateur Radio Club, or MDARC. With over 300 members, this club is one of the biggest on the West Coast. They host Pacificon, the ARRL Pacific Division convention, and offer training, testing, and weekly nets for its members. Whether you're into emergency communications or just chatting on the air, MDARC has something for everyone. Next up, maybe you've been an amateur radio operator for a very, very long time. This club is right up your alley. It's the Quarter Century Wireless Association, or QCWA. This club is unique. It's specifically for hams who have had their amateur radio license for at least 25 years. With over 3,800 members and chapters all across the United States and beyond, QCWA helps keep the history of ham radio alive while still embracing modern tech. If you've been licensed for a while, this is a great club to check out. That's the Quarter Century Wireless Association. Next up is the South Jersey Radio Association. This is the oldest continuously operating amateur radio clubs in the country. Founded in 1916, SJRA has been going strong for over a century. They run multiple repeaters in New Jersey and publish a monthly newsletter called Harmonics, and even offer awards for operators. If you love tradition and history, SJRA is a club worth knowing about. Finally on our list today is the Radio Club of America, or the RCA. Now this one isn't strictly a ham radio club. It's a broader organization dedicated to all things wireless. That includes amateur radio, broadcasting, and even commercial communications. RCA has been around since 1909, brings together some of the top minds in radio technology. If you're interested in the big picture of wireless communications, this club is for you. Ham radio clubs aren't just about being on the air and talking on the air. They're about building connections, learning, and keeping the hobby alive for the next generation. Whether you're looking for local repeater activity, a place to experiment with new tech, or a chance to meet other hams in person, these clubs have something to offer. Now, maybe there's a bigger club that I missed. I want you to get in the comments and let me know about that club. Let's talk about that club. Maybe we'll make a video about that club. What is your favorite ham radio club? Drop a line in the comments, and it doesn't have to be the biggest, but if you have a favorite that you want to let me know about, go ahead and jump in the comments and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future uploads. Again, this video brought to you by the Ham Shack TV store. Go to hamshacktv.com, hamshacktv.com. We've got ICOM, Yaesu, Kenwood, Anytone, Baofeng, all the transceivers you could possibly want. We've got antennas, we've got coax, we've got connectors, prepper gear, all kinds of great stuff. Go check it out, hamshacktv.com. And for something you can't find in the Ham Shack TV store, let me know. Also, down in the description down below, Ham Shack TV has merch now. Go check it out. Maybe you might be interested in repping your favorite ham radio YouTube channel. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Hope you have a great day. And if you're going to Orlando Hamcation, be safe. And if you're going to Rocket City Weatherfest, hopefully I'll see you there. 73s, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. AA4WX, WSCB 693.